The hardness grade of fasteners is often according to their tensile strength, which is also set as ISO standard. Grade 8.8 fasteners are usually used in low-strength applications, such as assembling some furniture and light machinery. The fasteners of grade 10.9 are used in medium-strength applications, such as car engines and high-speed rotating machines. Grade 12.9 fasteners are usually in applications that require the highest strength, such as the connection of bridges and high-rise buildings. It should be noted that fasteners of different hardness grades cannot be used interchangeably. If insufficiently strong fasteners are used in high-load or high-pressure application scenarios, there may be risks of loosening, breaking, or failure.